Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet bat subscribe ya u Antor News.
Kublai fi baro kini gilong ki khubor ba mentak sengi. Hadin bakah New Trap National Liberation Council kala kan randin no ban ya keren yesuk bat kasur kajela namar bakah penslam jongkah. Na kaliang kasurkar kala khot biang sachisin halor kajin shimrai bat penkuno ya kajin ya keren yesuk bat kasurkar pediang bat kasur kajela ya tu sembut menteri rangba kajela uba dei pei ya katan kampo iyeng uba perstunteng song syakila petai kubor hadin belawai ka kenhun kabinet menhakakat kanai tarik ukala lingkot. Kasurkar kalalong balakloi banyak kendu ya kinong yelam bak khmat jong ka HNLC ha kano ke jaka ka budget hi ban pentelun syakmat ya kijinya keren pentikena ba kajinya keren kan mi se ya uso ucerman ka HNLC kom CNC uba Bobby Marweng bat General Secretary kom Publicity Secretary uba asain kupa nong trau kila dep ha ya kishiti sya ka Ministry of Home Affairs lengbak u advisor u AK Mishra ban pentip halor karai baladep syem ban weng no ya kajinya keren yesuk da ka bapen pau baka surkar kam syem lakungu ban menjur ya kisan teli ki jingdawa bakan thup ya kijing map ya ki dokhot bat ya kinong ilam jong kaseng wat penleno ka kabuksir kaja tangshisin kerpat uba perston tengsong ya kinong ilam jong ka HNLC uba perston tengsong haba pensyai ya kijing kerpat jong ka surkar ban pelong ya kijing ya keren bat kinong ilam jong kaseng ulaong namarba kibru kila pen kubor da ka HNLC kimla ban syem ya karai ha kijing ya keren bat ka surkar ngilayay ban ba kajinya lang ka day banlong bat kinong yelam kibala ban shimya garay ha kibabun kimat namar ngikwa ba kajinya keren kandon kajin penkut namar kata kinong yelam ki day banwan syakmat syaka mi jinya keren kaseng kala kedeu ba kajinyo shiti syakhot hajir naka NIA bat naka yung kasyari jong ka Judicial Magistrate First Class silongkat ba kajinya keren yesuk kadang ya kalap penathatin ya kaseng halor kani uba tengsong ulaong kinotis khot hajir kimdei kibala pha da kasurkar pedang ne kasurka jala namar kani kadei kakam jong ka yung kasyari.
Not the central or state government who are involved in this. This is purely the responsibility of the judiciary. But still, let me reiterate, I told you the assurance given by the state and the central government. Please give us all the details, the members, how many of them? Is it only one? Is it only two of them? Is it only three of them who were subjected to the court cases? Or maybe 30 or 20 or whatever. That's what in the first meeting of the peace talk, that has been highlighted and that has been also requested by the authorized representative of the government of India, Ministry of Home Affairs, as well as by the interlocutor of the government to the members of the HNLC. Don't worry, we said, give us all the detail. Then we'll prepare also for the second talk. All the details, but they did not furnish that. Instead, ultimately, we keep waiting. Instead, ultimately, we receive a letter that they don't want to continue the peace talk anymore because of this. In fact, these issues has been already discussed in the first meeting itself. That's why the authorized representative of HNLC also, they went back to Bangladesh to discuss with their top leaders about the issues. What was the discussion? What was the justification made by the government? What was the offer made by the government to their top leaders? We request them to revisit again the decision, because as I said to you, opportunity will not come 2, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. The golden opportunity, it may happen once or twice, but it will not happen every now and then. So my request, my humble request to the leaders of the HNFC, ba ni withdraw namar baga government, the state government, but the central government, kim long sincere. Lani kim long kuit men sim hakan di kecil keren ngakwa ban percaya sekipait ba joge jela jongi kam tam kajat benriu jongi ba kin snow tu kam day kunta kipa sangi ki keren hakat to ka benung kong ka beladi ka official to kawai kibu balakan nul badai ban penting na ya pasif ladawan ki leaders kabaar ho kibu ba lift no ya kabang kum kaseng leno kadang ban suk kajing keren bat kabalai kabaki ong kolong ba withdraw ru ya kikis baro kibadon ha kikut kibaperote yakini kilai tali kisu ka save passage komo pingi la kular bat nila leru kila sa ru bun tayo sani ni ai ka save passage number 1 number 2 kita care ru ya kinandong syadong kam don kanu ban ong bangilong arsak lesak nagla suka kabaar ka bagi request ban bade ban wen ban live no ya katu kabar ya katuru ni ong ni dang ya keren mata dang de kas karau ka benengko ai ba kecing keren kan jihad but andal ayat sansin ne riusin ki issue iwe hadin iwe ngin saya resolve ya kata ngin saya keren mat boy segi setuju te ki bu ya kata ka daw ki ong ban na daw baka sarkar India kam lift ya kan ni na daw ni kwa ban discontinue la ne ban stop no ekejiplen haka ba ngahi la de ngina ke state government na keren na basya nilok sincere haduk mentah mut ban ong bangi dagar pa yakin no elam ke chesi one secretable jo ke keren tong ini keren but kabak hadu kabagi ong ba they ban withdraw shoy ka case jom ki kadas kitu ki balasya register ki badon ka case ya katar gi ong ai kalis begini keren ai shoy kalis barokah kanu pungut kita ki balasya syaksit lani katno pungut kita gila asyabuk ai syangi kalis kanang bahakan next talk kejing keren kan nginang yo susu ban kli bala se kita uta hakata kapun li kita ki isu ke ba ngi keren kata dengan ngo lengo sebun bahaka bakadu how new December ka ski ka bakadu ata jobs na mo lale ki withdraw man ya kena kecil tengah kuah ban pensai kedar ban nakal liang jog state government but ka central government lu hak jadi syahadu minta ni dalong very sincere but ni dang kuah ai ba kena kecil keren kan kita ka pisto ban bakan ya cepat te bagi ai kini kidau ko mo pi kino ban ya ka government ba ka government kam sikya lene kam le tum ni kuntai ngatrai kata ka babla tinga kwa ko bat percaya hak mat ki ba jog jala ka chumi nakal yang jogo komen hi hadu mentau ni dakwa ban khot ya kin noy lam joka channel si one shigi kren ka jing khang ada wat la dak la ay ngi ki jing thok ta ni nakal yang ka sarkar still ni dak kerpat sngoba perkat si ajar si wat perkat lengkot jemut perkat saja sih but what you could know ke surkar but hinam yo kum ka dengan kabuk sia na kalian ke surkar jemi ke bengile na ka FDA wan na try ka sin ka benengkong pio na dengan opportunity ba ngin la ban poi hadu ka dengan stage rei penban haka por ka bengla poi haka ne ka senjam ka benengkong kesan pi withdraw no na ka ne ka jing te na kata ka daw magpa ban persay haka ni kapor bat ru lengba jong ka kor kubor baro akwa ru ban ong ban khot bia yakin nong yalam jong ka chinasi ba lakum do kum nuru perkat thmai perkat biam wan syakami jong pe jing kren naman ngila de kren ru de kabashai lada pisngau ba phim long se phim so long sngai wat banya kren nang ne haslong hapo me kala ngilong ready banya kren hapan nu jaka kataru nakaliang joka sorkar kami bat nakaliang joka state government ngila keren ne basha lada peace ngau kum ki top leaders ba pins ngau sngan to ong ma pi ha kan jaka nginwan ban ya keren kenang ba ngida ngut bangi di kwa chicha ba ngin poi no shere jinga suk bat ba ngin ye sok sai nang ne sekmat ban pentulun ya kala roi ba pa jong ke jala me kalaya bat kumju jom kajat menriu bat kali ke jongi barapui dia kata ka bang kuat bat syai bat mat jom pi bat ngakermen scam group ba kin nong yalam barang ba du jom kai channel si kin sngo ba ban berkat dia laisin sausin kenang ba kum bang ong pi kan ne ka pi stock kan ya ka ban poi ru syaka bakut bangin yo ban ke yu so ba tiang